Hey there, everyone. I know that dealing with clover mites can be a real pain. These tiny red bugs are common, and while they're not harmful to people or pets, they can be an absolute nuisance. But don't worry, you're not alone in this. I'm here to walk you through a step-by-step process to get rid of clover mites effectively and safely. So, let's dive in. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Identify the problem. Clover mites are tiny and reddish-brown. They tend to gather around windows and doors. If you see them, you found your problem. Clean the area with soapy water. A. Mix a mild dish soap with water. B. Spray or scrub the area with the soapy water using a garden hose or spray bottle and a soft brush. C. Rinse the area with clean water. A study by the University of Maryland in 2019 confirms that soapy water can be a great natural deterrent for many small insects. Apply diatomaceous earth. A. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth around the infested areas. B. This will create a barrier that dehydrates and kills the mites. As the Oregon State University research from 2015 showed, diatomaceous earth is a non-toxic way to control many small pests. Use insecticidal soap, optional. If the infestation is severe, you may want to apply an insecticidal soap following the manufacturer's instructions. Many experts, like those at Penn State University, recommend this as a way to control mite infestations. Monitor the situation. Keep an eye on the area and repeat the steps if needed. I hope this guide helps you get rid of clover mites in a simple and stress-free way. Remember, this problem is common and it's solvable. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.